So, Chariot, you don't like tag, you don't like, you want to know how to do collection service? It's very simple. I'm going to make a door. It's going to be just a simple door using the collection service. We're going to, you're going to need a plugin, and I'm not going to be using the time erase effect because that's stupid. Hate ABD code. Puh. So I set up a door object, and you're gonna go over to your plugins in your toolbox and look for tag editor. It's a plugin. It's an editor for collection service tags. It's very useful. It looks like this. I'm just gonna make a tag. You're gonna add a tag called doors, and you can view your stuff. You can view the tag instances, instance list, no instances selected. But we're gonna click on our door object in game, and then we're gonna right click our door. No, click our doors, left click, and that will highlight it. And once you click off the thing, it'll unhighlight, I guess. If you click on anything that's tagged with a tag, it's gonna highlight. So we know that this door is tagged with the doors tag. Tag is a lot of, I say tag a lot, but as you can see, it highlights whenever I click it because it's part of it. So we can also go always on top, I guess. I don't know how this works. But yeah. So how does this help us? So we can I'm gonna make a door with you click it and it opens. So let's go open door. Open door handle. To use the collection service, we just open door, and we can do door dots transparency. I like you do. So local F for that function set transparency val door dot transparency equals v, and that's just a quick function. And local set can collide v dot can collide equals v. And so first of all, we're going to set the transparency to 0.5 and set can collide to false, and we make sure it's anchored. So let's go door dot anchored just in case. Then we're gonna wait a second, 0.5 again. We're gonna wait 0.5 and set transparency to 1. Oh no, 0. Set can collide to true. Now this is just to open the door. So local tag is called doors. Down here it's called doors. So and then we're gonna get a collection service. Collection service and local doors. Collection service get tagged. Tag. This just returns a table of every instance tagged with a string passed in. We passed in tag, which is doors, so it'll get everything that's tagged with this tag, doors. So we're gonna do door and next doors. Do. Gonna have a click detector instance .new click detector and our door, and cd.mouseClick connects function, and then we're gonna open door. We're also gonna add a parameter. Now if door.transparency is equal to 0.5, well, let's do it local open trans equals 0.5 local closed trans equals 0. Is open transparency, and set it to open transparency, and closed trans, and open cc equals false, local closed cc is true. So open cc and closed cc. Then return end. Just if it's open, then we don't want to open it again. No point in that. So that should do it. Then we've created a door. This should work at least. I don't know. But the point of the collection service is to not reuse code. We don't want reusing code is annoying, and if you make one change, you're gonna have to change everything. As you can see, it works, and it's not good. If you clone another object, it's gonna have the same. It's gonna be in the same tags. Just to show that, just so it works. Just to show that it works on everything. So as you can see, well, that's a problem, isn't it? As you can see, it won't work while it's but yeah, that's how to use a collection service. It's very useful, and it's good. You can do this just so it doesn't repeat code. That's the main purpose of it. Although technically you could just slip in a script into here and have a folder called doors and then just loop over everything in doors. But the tag service is good because you can access anything in the workspace immediately. And the tag editor makes it very easy, because normally you'd have to use the command line, which is just not fun. So anyway, that's it. Good, yay.